Levi, a young shepherd, is tending his flock in the hills when he sees a fiery vision. An angelic figure commands him to go to King Zedek and demand the destruction of the idols that have led the people astray. Levi hesitates, feeling unworthy, but the angel reminds him that God uses the humble to achieve great things. Levi travels to the royal city, a place filled with opulence and corruption. He boldly enters King Zedek's court and declares the Lord's message, demanding the destruction of the idols. Zedek, angered by the challenge, mocks Levi and orders his arrest. However, a sudden earthquake shakes the palace, cracking the golden statues. This sign unnerves the court, but only hardens Zedek's heart. While imprisoned, Levi is visited by an old prophet named Hiram, who reveals a vision of Israel's future if the people continue in their idolatry. The vision shows a barren land, scattered people, and the destruction of their temple. Inspired by Hiram's wisdom, Levi prays fervently for the strength to continue his mission. Levi is released from prison after the earthquake is declared an omen by some of the king's advisors. He gathers a small group of faithful followers and leads them to the largest altar of the false gods. There, Levi challenges the priests of Baal to a contest. They will each call on their gods to send fire upon their offerings. Despite the priests' elaborate rituals, no fire comes. Levi then prays to the Lord, and fire miraculously consumes his sacrifice, leaving the people in awe. The miraculous fire stirs the hearts of the people, who turn against the priests of Baal and destroy the idols. King Zedek, witnessing the fervor of the people and the undeniable power of God, repents. He declares that the nation will return to the worship of the Lord. Levi becomes a revered figure, but he humbly returns to his shepherding, content to have fulfilled his calling. Years later, the altar Levi built remains a symbol of Israel's renewal. The nation prospers under God's favor, and Levi's story is passed down as a testament to the courage and faith required to stand for truth. His actions teach that even the smallest voices can bring about the greatest change when backed by unwavering faith. In today's society, where distractions and false ideals often cloud our values, this story reminds us to stand firm in our beliefs and act courageously to restore what is right. It highlights the power of faith to overcome fear and the importance of humility in leadership.